I have one more unboxing to do because while I look like this presentable, I'm gonna use the chance, kay. I'm so lazy to get ready. If you notice ako mga post, nakapajama ako, guys. So this one is a car freshener. It's a very unique car freshener, kay it is the scent is inspired by perfume scents. See, it's a perfume oil gel freshener. So we discovered this when we went to Art E-Makers Market in Mercato Mall. So there was a small business there. So I bought one because I like the smell. It was inspired by Chanel No. 5. Wow, social kayong baho sa mong car. Chanel No. 5. Although I never smelled the original na Chanel No. 5, but like this smell is nice because according sa Ilahaf, it's categorized as a floral fragrance. So this scent was on sale, kay off-season daw siya na scent. This is, I got this 3 pieces for 70 dirhams. So see, its scent is No. 5. So the third one is already inside the car. So it comes like this. It's from Pog Freshener. They have other scents as well, but I don't know the full range that they have. Okay, I think it depends on their stocks. See, it comes with the vent type metal canister or can. So you have to open it up and remove the seal. So I'll show you guys. See, inside, it's the ano dayon? The gels. That was strong. Ano are they should have? Pero nice kay siya scent kay wala lang, it's not the usual type of car scents na make you feel kabuhi, you know? Okay, other scents remind you of car sickness. Especially katong mga pine scents or orange scents. So this scent is nice. Okay, it's inspired by perfumes. It doesn't remind you of car sickness. Okay, scents can evoke memories, guys. So, moto. So, actually, kani sila na shop, they don't only sell car fresheners. I think they also have linen sprays or kanang room scents. So, I think if you guys are interested, just visit their Instagram under the same name, Pog Freshener. Anyway, I'll link it down below. Wow! Influencer yun! Para lang sa mga nag-curious, ako lang i-link. I'm not sponsored or anything, but like, I don't gatekeep also. Especially mga things na bet. So, mga to. And they were also kind enough to give a freebie. So, it comes in this temporary plastic container thing. According to them, the fragrance is classic. See? Is it clear? Hindi na siya ma-zoom. Mo-clear, guys. Liwat siya sa kuha, daot, og mata. Focus. Focus on me. Ayun! So, what's the name? Fragrance is Classic by Pog Freshener. They even have their mobile number there. So, nice po din eh. So, it's a good thing they gave us a freebie so that the next time we order, we're gonna try the classic scent for the car. Okay. I think one can of this one lasts around 1 to 2 months, especially karon nga hot ang climate, so I think it goes faster compared to winter. But tanaon pa namo kay the first time we bought this was during winter time, so it lasted around 2 months. So yeah, that's all. Meron akong shows kong cool stuff, guys. Bye.